The Puerto Rican parrot, once teetering on the edge of extinction, has become a beacon of hope in conservation. By the 1970s, their numbers had plummeted to just 13 individuals due to rampant deforestation and hurricanes ravaging their tropical habitats. A determined conservation effort took hold, focusing on breeding programs and establishing protected natural reserves. Through tireless dedication and habitat restoration, their population has seen a steady increase, with the establishment of new wild populations in protected areas. This remarkable comeback of the Puerto Rican parrot emphasizes the impact of robust conservation strategies and community involvement in reviving a species once thought to be lost.